Hello everybody, West Country Explorers Dave and Amy here, and today we've just come a couple of miles, well 2 or 3 miles along the road to Praia da Luz. So
Yes.
so I mean, have you been here before?
Yes, for about third time.
And I've been here once before on a holiday with my parents, so yeah, this is quite a few of you might know Praia da Luz from back in 2007 where poor old Maddie McGann went, sort of disappeared. Yeah, Madeline, yeah. So we're here. Just it's not the sunniest of days today. Hopefully the sun will break out through the clouds later on. But yeah, we're gonna have a little explore, aren't we?
Yes.
Yeah. So, guys, if you want to have a look round Praia da Luz, come join us for the journey. If you don't want to look round Praia da Luz, well, there's plenty of other videos on YouTube. So, anyway, guys, come and enjoy.
Bye.
Amy's gonna just sit there and enjoy the views a minute while I do a quick bit of recording. As you can see, yeah, it's not quite a sunny day yet, but all being well, it'll get better. We'll be going over to the main beach part in a minute and explore the town. Yeah, it looks like a nice bit of sea to go in. One brave soul in the sea over there. Well, over the last couple of days, when we've been out and about and that, I've been sort of overhearing snippets of conversation in Portuguese, and some of the words I've heard sort of sound very similar to my ear to some Welsh words. I mean, I can't speak Welsh myself. I know a tiny smattering of it, but I do sometimes, on odd occasions, listening to Welsh radio stations. But yeah, it's just surprised me a bit because, like I said, some of the Portuguese words I been hearing in conversation, I sort of hear it and I thought, that sounds very similar to some of the Welsh words I know. So I wonder if like Portuguese and Welsh have got some kind of a common root. I don't know. But yeah. Here we are, a bit closer to the beach.
Sandy beach.
Yeah, sandy beach.
Beautiful.
To the best of my knowledge, there are no sections of this beach that are nudist sections, so there's no danger of me accidentally coming across topless women today. So
You're only going to see
there's only one woman I want to see topless, and that's you. I'll twizzle you around a sec, guys. Yeah, so for those of you that watched my video yesterday, I was down on the beach doing bits of recording. There's one bit of the beach. Thankfully, I wasn't recording. Yeah, it was a nudist section of the beach, so it took me by surprise. I'd forgotten about that, so I had to quickly turn my eyes heavenwards and look at the sky instead. You know. Anyway, I'll tell you back round. So there you go, guys. Praia da Luz beach. Some cafes there, so we're going to go and get a drink in a second, aren't we, Ames?
Yeah.
Yeah, get a nice drink, yeah.
Look, kids haven't gone back to school.
Haven't they?
There are a lot of kids out.
I know. Maybe they've got a long holiday, I don't know. Yeah. Very pretty. have a little look around this church. So, very different style to English churches. Oh, come on in. It'll be nice and cool inside. They do like their statues, don't they?
Yeah.
Oh,
Are you recording?
I am recording now.
So this is weird. So we're coming to this church, but everything obviously is in Portuguese. So they do like their statues.
Mhm.
If it was German, I might be able to understand it a bit more.
Yeah. What if I twizzle you around a second? I'll show you this. Got the font in there.
About Jesus in our lives, protection, for comfort, for guidance, for faith, for healing, for decisions. Thank Him for dying for us on the cross. Yeah, so we need Jesus. It's quite beautiful.
It is beautiful. When I look at things like that, I've always got mixed feelings. Part of me is thinking it's very beautiful and nice to look at, and part of me thinks the money spent to make it, surely the money could have been better spent on the community, helping the poor, helping the needy.
Yeah.
You know, and a beautiful ornate church is nice, but I just think I'd much rather see a church that's plain and simple, and the money spent on the community, helping those that need help.
Yeah.
So yeah, like I said, very mixed feelings at things like that. So yeah. Don't often see a statue quite that. That's a bit very, very depictive.
Yeah.
Very depictive. Yeah. Ooh, oh, just a little gallery up there. There you go, that's just the inside. Oh look, another statue.
Yeah.
Statues everywhere.
I have looked at statues, there isn't one till 6:30 tonight.
Well, so that's alright. We'll be having din-dins then. So there you go guys, that was just a short little bit of time in Praia da Luz. It's not really, as far as shops are concerned, like town centre's concerned, there's hardly anything here. So if you want shops and that, like a day out like shopping, Praia da Luz ain't really the place to come. But it's got a fantastic beach. So if you want a beach day, just a day sort of enjoying the sun, sand and all the rest, yeah, it's good for beaches. We'd recommend it for that. But if you want shops and all that kind of thing, you'll probably be sorely disappointed with Luz, because not really hardly any shops here, is there? No. So yeah, it's a beach place. Come here for the beach. So yeah, and we've had a lovely lunch at the Bull Inn. Yes. Yeah, bruschettas and
bacon and cheese,
chips,
melted chip.
Yes. Yeah, we shared a bowl at sorry.
They were little thin chips.
Yeah.
And you had bruschetta, didn't you?
Yeah, I had goat's cheese, walnut and honey bruschetta. And you had the
standard, lots of tomato, lots of oil.
Yeah. So we definitely recommend the Bull for a place to go for food. That was quite nice food. Yeah. So anyway guys, that's just a little taste of Praia da Luz. Hope you've enjoyed watching. Look forward to seeing you in the next one. And in the meantime, the usual, stay safe, take care, God bless.
Bum dear.